Sairam students. So students, today we are going to revise chapter 2, that is number work, right? So let's start. We'll take one examples. First is write in words. So the number is given, you have to write it in words. So 437526. So how will you write it? So you will start the counting from your right hand side. 6 in the units place, 2 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, 3 in the 10,000s place, and 4 in the lakhs place. So you came to know, children, what are their places. So now we can write it in words as 4,37,526. So this is your answer, 4,37,526. So this is the way you will write it. Now let's take the second example. 9759209. So again we'll do the same way. 9 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place, 9 in the thousands place, 5 in the 10,000s place, 7 in the lakhs place, and 9 in the 10 lakhs place. So how will you write it? 97,59,209. So this will be your answer. Now the third one, 167,85301. So same way, starting from your right hand side, 1 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, 8 in the 10,000s place, 7 in the lakhs place, 6 in the 10 lakhs place, and 1 in the crores place. So how will you write the answer? 1,67,85,301. So this is your answer. Now we'll move to the next question. Write in figures. So words, it will be written. You have to write the number in figures. So what is the first one? 2,74,963. So how will you write it? 2 lakh. So I have written 274,000. So I have put a comma. I'll write it as 74,000. Then 900. So I'll write it as 9 and 63. So 6 and 3. So this is your answer, right? 274,963. Okay, children. So let's move to the second one. 15,56,948. So how will you write? 15 lakh I will write 15. Next is 56,000. So what I'll do? 5 and 6. Next is 900. So I'll take 9. 100 is there, right? And 48. So 4 and 8, right? So your answer is 15,56,948. So this will be your answer. Let's move to the third one. 5,67,82,061. Right? So how will we write it? 5 crore, right? Next is what? 67 lakh. So what will you do? 6 and 7. Now 82,000. So 8 and 2, right? And 61. So 100 is not there. So we will put 0 and then 6 and 1. So your figure is 567,82,061. Right, children? So we have finished writing figures. So let's move to the next one. Make 2 6-digit numbers each time using any of the digits 0 to 6 only once. So 0 to 6 means, children, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So using these 6 numbers, you are going to make any 2 6-digit numbers. So you can make any choice of yours, right? So first what I will do, I will write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you can make any two 6-digit numbers. It should be 6-digit. So what I'll do, I'll write it as any 6 digits you take, right? 6, 0, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this became your first one, right? So it is how much? 6-digit, right? Okay. So in this way you are going to make your two 6-digit numbers. So it will be 6,01,345. So like this you will make the second number also by taking any of the numbers between 0 to 6, right? So these are your answers. These I have taken. You can also make the numbers of your choice, but it should be 6 digits. So count and see whether they are 6 digits, right children? So let's move to the next question. Write the numbers in their expanded form. So what is the first one? 365074. So how will we write it in expanded form? First we'll find out their places. So first we'll start from right hand side. 4 in the units place, 7 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, 6 in the 10,000s place and 3 in the lakhs place. So we have come to know their places. So how will you write? 3 lakh, right? So 3 lakh plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 4. So in this way you will write your answer, right? So your first one is 3 lakh, next is 60,000, then is 5,000, 0, 70 and 4, right? So this is the way you will write it. Next one, the expanded form of the number is given. So write the number. So expanded form is given and you have to just write the number. So what is the number given? So first you see what is the first number. So this is your first set. Count the number of places. 0 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000s place, 0 in the lakhs place and 5 in the 10 lakhs place. So it is what your answer will come here, 5, right? Then go to the next set, right? Again count the number of places, right? So you will come to know that 4 is in the lakhs place. So you will write it as 4. Okay. So next is, what it is? 10,000. So you will write 10. 1 you will write, right? And then what is the next one? 3,000. So you will write 3 over here. Okay. Next is what number? 700. So you will write 7. And next is 20. So you will write 2. And last is 6. You will write it as it is. So your answer is 5413,726. That is 54,13,726. Right? So this is your answer. Okay children. So now let's move to the next one. Write the place name and the place value of each digit in their following numbers. So now a number is given and you have to write the place name and the place value of each and every digit. So what is the number? 7520932. So it is actually 75,20,932. So we'll write the place names and place values of each and every digit. So starting from your left hand side, right? The place name of the digit 7 is 10 lakh and the place value is 70 lakh, right? So your first digit is 7 and it is in the 10 lakhs place. So you have to first count from where it is. 2 in the units place, 3 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 2 in the 10,000s place, 5 in the lakhs place, and 7 in the 10 lakhs place. Right? So now, second one, the place name of the digit 5 is lakh and the place value is 5 lakh. Right? Next one, next number is 2. So the place name of the digit 2 is 10,000 and the place value is 20,000. Now, next number is 0. So the place name of the digit 0 is 1000 and the place value is 0 because 0 has got no value. So the place value will be 0. Now the next digit is 9. So how will you write? The place name of the digit 9 is 100 and the place value is 900. Right? Next one. The place name of the digit 3 is tens and the place value is 30. Next, the place name of the digit 2 is ones and the place value is 2. You can write either ones or units. Both are the same. Right, children? So in this way, you can write the place name and the place value. Next is write the proper symbol greater than or smaller than in the box, right? So what is the first one? 50,68,145 and the right hand side number is 57,02,183. So as I told you, you are going to start comparing from the left hand side, right? So this is your first set and this is your second set, right? So now the first number is 5 in the left hand side and here also in the right hand side the first number is 5. So you cannot compare it. So let's go to the second number, that is 0. Now here it is 0 in the left hand side and in the right hand side it is 7. So 0, it is smaller than 7. So that's the reason 57,02,183 will be greater. So you will put a greater sign than it 50,68,145. Let's take one more example. 34,83,656 and the other set is 34,83,565. So we'll start the comparison. Now what is given over here? The first digit is 3. Here also the first digit is 3. Next digit is 4. Here also 4. Then 8. Again here also 8. Next is 3. Again here 3. And now the hundreds place you see it is 6. And here in the hundreds place it is 5. So 6 is greater than 5. So that means 34,83,656. It is greater than 34,83,565. So this is the way you will do the comparison. Let's go to another example. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So children, do you remember what was ascending and descending? Ascending means from the smaller number to the greater number. So what are the numbers given? 23, 567, 901, 689, 106 and 54. So we'll start writing the numbers. So first will come the smaller numbers. So once you see the numbers over here, see there are some 3 numbers, 3-digit numbers and there are also 2-digit numbers. So first we'll take 2-digit numbers. So you can see here this is 2-digit and this is 2-digit number. So between 23 and 54, which one is the smallest? 23. So I will write 23 as the first number. So next number will obviously come as 54 because there are no other 2-digit number. Now there are 3-digit numbers, there are 4, right? So first let's see Here first it is 5, here it is 9, here it is 6, and here it is 1. So obviously 1 is smaller than rest of the numbers. So what will come as 106, right? Now 106 has also gone, right? This is gone, this is gone, and this is gone, right? Now remaining numbers are 567, 901, and 689. So 5, 9, and 6. See the first digit of each and every number. So obviously 5 is smaller than 9 and 6. So what will you write? 567. Okay. Now the two numbers remaining are 689 and 901. So see the first digits of both the numbers, 6 and 9. So 6 is smaller than 9. So you will write it as 689. And last one will obviously be 901. So this is the way you will arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So 23, 54, 106, 567, 689, and 901. This will be the sequence of the numbers. Now let's go to the second one. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Now descending means bigger number to the smaller number, right? So what are the numbers given? 32, 765, 190, 896, 601, and 45. So what will we do? First we have to find out the bigger number. So there are, this is 2-digit number, this is 2-digit number, so we'll not think about it first. Now these are the numbers which are the 3-digit numbers, right? So now let's see the first digit of all these numbers. Now 765, 190, 896, and 601. Now let us see the first digit of all these numbers. 7, 1, 8, and 6. So out of this, 8 is the largest, right? So you will write it as 896. Now 896 has gone. Now remaining three numbers, 765, 190, and 601. Let us see the first digit of all these numbers, 7, 1, and 6. So the next number will be obviously 765. So 765 is also gone. Now 601 and 190. See the first digit, 1 and 6. So 6 is greater. So you will write 601. So last number remaining is 190. Okay. Now there are only two numbers remaining, 32 and 45. So these are 2-digit numbers. Now see the first digit of both the numbers. Here it is 3 and here it is 4. So 4 is greater. So obviously 45 will come as the next number. And the last number will be 32. So the descending order will be 896, 765, 601, 190, and 45, and then 32. So this is your descending order. Now solve the problems given below. During the tree plantation campaign, 2,53,890 mango trees were planted and 2,35,764 chiku trees were planted. So which type of the trees were planted the most? So you have to find out which trees have been planted the most. So what will you do? First you will write the number of mango trees planted and number of chiku trees planted, and then you will compare both the numbers. So let's see. So number of mango trees planted is 2,53,890 and number of chiku tree planted is 2,34,764. So we'll write these two numbers, right? So one side I have written 2,53,890 and the other side I have written 2,34,764. So now we'll compare it, right? Both are the same digit numbers. Yes, it are 6-digit number both on both the side. So let's start the comparison. So here the first digit is 2, here also it is 2. Next digit is 5 and here the next digit is 3. So 5 is greater than 3. So that's the reason 2,53,890 is greater than 2,34,764. So the number of mango trees planted are the most. So this is the way you will write the answer. So children, I have taken each and every example, one example of whatever problem set we had done in the chapter 2. So children, in the next session, I will give you the type of questions which will come in the exam on chapter 2. So till then, goodbye.